Recently, someone in South Carolina called my office and they wanted to know, should they give a recorded statement? I immediately explained to them, no, never give a recorded statement without consulting with an experienced personal injury attorney. And I gave them 2 examples of why they shouldn't do that. The first example is the person taking a recorded statement is someone that's been trained in taking recorded statements to do it in a way to harm someone's case. Second, the person has much experience in taking recorded statements. They may have taken hundreds, even thousands of recorded statements, and they're going to use that experience to try to harm or kill your case. So that's the first reason that you shouldn't give a recorded statement. That's a good example. A second example are trick questions. If you go forward and giving a recorded statement, invariably, one of the questions you're going to be asked, have you ever had an injury to the body part that's been injured in the case that you have now? It's a trick question, particularly if you're 40 or more, because what you're going to typically say is, I don't recall, or I've never had any injuries to that particular body part. And then after the recorded statement is over, you're going to be requested to sign a release, or the lawyers for the person that harmed you is going to request a release, and they may be able to get one, and they're going to request your medical records for 30 years back. And guess what they're going to be looking for? They're going to be looking for a medical record that says you hurt the body part that you told in your recorded statement that you had never hurt. And most people do not memorize their medical records, and they don't keep a catalog of how many injuries they had and what injuries they had in their 20s or in their 30s or in their 40s. So they forget. And the people that are taking the recorded statements know that people forget. That's why this is a trick question. So this is another example of why you should never give a recorded statement. If you have someone that's pressuring you to give a recorded statement, call our office. Let us speak with you, and we will get that person off your back, and we will stop the trick questions. And we may stop the recorded statement forever happening at all, because now the corporation or the insurance company that wants the recorded statements, they know that you've got someone to explain these tricks to you, and they'll realize it won't work, and they'll just give up. Call our office, let us help, and do not give a recorded statement without a personal injury attorney that's experienced helping you. Call our office. We're here to help people that have injuries in South Carolina.